So hey, what are you trying to tell Mama? You're hungry? Oh my goodness. What would you like this morning? Huh? Oh, okay. Can you tell Mama, can you stand up and dance? Can you dance? Oh, that's dancing. That's dancing. Okay. Breakfast? Is that what you're trying to tell Mommy? You need some breakfast? Would you like chicky? Cheese? What's your favorite food? Cheese? Well, tell me. Okay, I think it's cheese. I think it's cheese. Okay, okay, sit up. Good boy. Okay, let's get that food in ya. I think you're gonna die if we don't. All right, stop barking. Stop barking.